So I'm sharing the screen, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think my screen is shared now.
Yes, sir.
So I told you that this is a company and this is a customer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In a last class, I will not explain everything now. I will just give you
Yeah.
an idea. You have that previous diagram, no?
Yes,
Same
sir.
Yeah.
diagram refer. I mean the sentence, whatever I typed, the same thing, okay?
Yes.
Now what will happen? The thing which you learned as acceptance testing, that is the case one, okay? Now you guys are learning the case two,
Oh,
okay? This
yes,
is
sir.
the software company and this is a
Customer.
customer, okay? I have
Yes.
taken a customer as an example of FedEx and the
FedEx.
software company as Infosys,
Right.
and the customer is given the requirement, business analyst collected, feasibility study is done, design is done, coding is done, testing is done, quality is good, and we have released the software to the customer. And in the customer place, there is some person called as IT engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yeah.
engineer will be present, okay? And this IT engineer who is present in the software company, he is busy with some other works, okay? He is busy with some other works. So we can't call him for doing the acceptance testing now. Now his availability is not there because he is assigned with another work. So what will happen now? There are some persons called as employees in the company. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Employees, you know, normal employees, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The employee present in that company, what he will do, or we will call them as agents. Okay.
Okay,
When
sir.
it comes to technical,
Okay.
we'll call them as agent. What they will do, they will be having a business document. I told about this business document, right? Business document means when they are doing their business, they used to keep a booklet where they have to add all their company details in a book, right? I told you
Yes. Yes,
when I
sir.
was
Yeah.
explaining. Okay,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
business document will be there. These employees or agents are there, no? They worked
Yes,
in
sir.
a company for 10 or 15 years, guys. Okay, they work at 10 to 15 years. They know how their company will work. See, I'm working in
Okay.
one of the company from past 6 months. In my new company, I know what they're doing.
Yes.
Enough, you know, if you have that knowledge or analyzing capacity, if you have, no, it's very easy for you guys to work in a company. What they are doing, if you are analyzing, no, it's
Yes,
very
sir.
easy
Right.
to work in that company. So
Yeah.
these fellows are work at 10 to 15 years. Matlab, you only tell that how much knowledge they have on their business.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this
Yes.
is
Yeah.
FedEx, and this is which type of business? Courier, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are working in a 10 to 15 years in courier business, obviously they know how the courier application will work. So what they will do side up. They will create an account. Okay. After creating an account, they will add something, some what I can tell product. Okay. They will divide the product range. Let me take range means always distance. Okay. So let me take this is a Bangalore. It means first location they will tell. Assume first location. Next it will go to Mumbai. I told you already this story. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mumbai will be the second location. Later
Yeah.
from there it will come to Middle East. Okay. It will be the third location. Later it will reach your New York. Okay. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
your fourth location. So
Correct.
in the application, there will be 4 phases where first phase will be the this person, where Bangalore person. The application says Bangalore person uploaded the product.
Yes, sir.
It means Prerna is getting the update or
Yeah.
notification. Prerna is getting a notification saying that your product is packed for
Yes.
delivery. Okay, that
Yeah.
Right.
notification you have to get when
Yes,
you are
sir.
in Bangalore. This is my
Yes,
first
sir.
notification. Second notification, same application. What I will do, I am already having application. No need of going for Mumbai since I'm
Yes.
doing the testing. No, I
Yes,
will
sir.
go. I will log in as a second person,
Uh-huh.
and I will a product. I will see there will be some scanning. If you book any product, no, there will be some barcode. If you
Yes.
scan that, that means your product is received. So
Yeah.
what you will do, you will enter his ID and you will scan that product. Again, Prerna will get the message stating that hey, your product is in Mumbai
Yeah.
in a
Yes, sir.
transition mode. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Next, I will log in with one more account and I will do again. Prerna will get a message.
Yeah.
It is in
Correct.
Middle East transition mode. Next, New York. And delivery, New York means your product is almost reaching the customer within 1 or 2 days, something like that. The message will go. Next day,
Yes.
delivery boy message also will come, and that will be delivered for Prerna.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, Prerna understood that his product is reached to
Correct.
respective.
Right.
I mean, my product. I given I think pickle to Prerna. I sent a
Yes,
pickle,
sir.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Prerna is received, and Prerna will call, sir, the pickle test is so good, sir. Or something, sir. Please share one
Yes, sir.
more box or something like that. She is again calling and telling. So I understood that I sent a product and Prerna is received based on the proper updates on proper time.
Correct.
It means I'm not
Correct.
missing any product.
Yes, sir.
This and all the customer is given the requirement. Initially used to call and used to take the updates. Now there is no call. I want an application to track. So that
Correct.
application, all the things are documented, and based on the document, they will start entering the inputs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They will test the software for a particular period of time in
Yes,
where
sir.
in the demo server. Once
Okay.
they get the confidence,
Hmm.
later getting a confidence means what? There should not be any defects.
Yes, sir.
The
Correct.
software should work according to the requirement. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Later, they
Correct.
will deploy that software into the production server. So
Yes, sir.
here, the acceptance testing is done by the employees or agents who is working in a company.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
In first
Yes, sir.
case, IT engineer working in a company, you look into the business document and he will do the acceptance testing. But in a second case, employees or agents present at the customer place, they will do the acceptance testing.
Correct.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sir, here, sir, the demo server, is that the production server, sir?
No, no,
What
no.
is it?
Demo server is not a production server. Demo server is I can tell staging servers. There are some other servers, okay?
Okay.
Before deploying the software into the production server, the software will be tested in some other servers as well, like a testing server similar to production server. There is a staging 1, 2, 3, like that. There are many servers will be there, okay?
Oh,
That and
okay.
all, no need of worrying. That is done by, that is other employees' duty.
Okay,
We no
sir.
need of interfering, okay?
Okay, sir.
So again, the customer, he will test in a demo server. See, demo server is a combination of hardware and software, where
Yes.
the hardware uh, configuration may be slightly lesser than the production server. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, got it right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we'll call it as a case number 2.
Okay.
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 So I have questions, sir.
Yes.
Acceptance testing is a case number 1, right?
There are 5 cases where you
Okay.
have learned the first case. Now I'm teaching you the second case. Okay. Understood,
Yes.
na?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So by the quality CR. Okay. Case number 2, right? Case number 1, I have given explanation. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have I given you explanation of case 1?
Yes, sir. In the last class.
I have given. Huh?
Yes,
According
sir.
to case 1, IT engineer who is domain expert. Hey, I don't think so. I have given this.
Sir, not
Okay.
this
No, you.
screenshot was given.
I have given why we should do acceptance testing, no?
Yes, sir. That thing you have given us. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You guys already know that there will be a IT engineer who will be doing the acceptance testing. Okay. Now see here, according to case 2, agents present in the customer place and who are domain experts. Domain experts means the person who is working in a company for 10 to 15 years and who is having very good knowledge on their domain. Their domain is what?
Okay.
Courier domain.
Courier.
Okay.
Okay. They will be involved in doing acceptance testing. IT engineer present in the customer place pick some agents. Mean he is busy, so what he will do, he will pick some agents. Agent means again, I'm telling you, employees. This fellow is busy,
Right.
so what he is done is selected some people and asked them to note a real-time customer data in the software, also in the book. Sir, why I want to write in the book? Okay, so this is also very important point. So what he is telling, ask them make a note of real-time customer data. It means I'm entering some data right in the application randomly. Whatever I'm entering, again I'm going to the Excel, MS Excel, or somewhere notepad or something. What input I'm giving, I'm writing here because my software behavior, no, when I'm giving the inputs, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. It means, see what I'll do. Prerana, if I type as a first name, it is accepting. But when I'm typing Reena, no, it is not accepting. But what I entered, I forgot because I have not done any documentation. See, I entered Prerana, no. If I am entering Prerana in my application, I need to document what I am entering. I am entering Prerana. So I am documenting that in Excel. Later, I am adding it in the application.
Okay.
Now I find a defect. No, when I find a defect, when I added the Prerana, that time I am finding the defect. If I add the Reena, no, the software is working fine. This is the input. I should know that it should be present in my mind that what input I have entered. Randomly, if I enter Prerana, Reena, Narsimha or something, no, which input I entered, I might forget if I'm not documented.
Correct.
Understood? So
Yes,
documentation is very important. So IT engineer, what he said, hey boss, whatever the data you will enter, no, customer data, that you write down somewhere in the book. Later, similarly, you do that for a particular period of time until you will get a confidence on the software. Once the software is working fine, there is no defects, you are getting a confidence on the software. Later, deploy the software into the production server. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this will be the case number 2. Take the screenshot.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Somebody
So
is riding a flight, huh?
Not sir.
not here. No, not in my.
Okay. So shall I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
Reena, what is
sir,
your doubt?
I have question. So this is case number 2, right? So
Yes.
which one is the case for number 1?
That I told IT engineer, no? Previous class. That is the case
Yeah,
number 1.
okay. All right. Sounds good.
First day, whatever I have done on acceptance testing, that will be case
Yes,
number
sir.
1. Today
Yes,
is the
sir.
case
Okay.
number 2. Now I'm
Okay.
doing case number 3 now.
Okay,
Now
sir.
again, this is
Okay.
done.
Got it.
Case
Okay.
number 3. Okay.
Got it.
Case number 3. What is the case number 3? Now, okay, I have released the software to the customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How beautifully the customer is in. Let me take. Is in Abu Dhabi. Where?
Abu Dhabi.
Middle East. Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
am working in a IT company in Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have tested the software. I released the software to the customer.
Yeah.
Where customer is having some team, like employees he have, or agents he have, or I can tell IT engineer they have. Okay, but they are very much busy. This entire team is there, no?
Yes, sir.
The entire team is busy. Okay. This
Okay.
entire team, whomever I'm telling,
Yes, sir.
let me take these many members. They are busy.
Okay.
They will be not having a time. They will be not having a time to do the acceptance testing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sir.
customer called to my company's business analyst. I will tell why business analyst, because the customer is directly speaking with the business analyst every time. They already became friends. Okay, for all the requirements and all. He is asking, or he is telling that select a good team of test engineers and send them to customer's place.
Okay.
Got it? It means there are some test engineers who is working in a Bangalore company. My customer is expecting them to work in his place as an on-site opportunity. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my husband is working in US, sir. Why is working in US, madam? Because he got an opportunity. How he got an opportunity to work in US means because is in his company, no, the other employees are busy and there is nobody there to do the testing. So he called the test engineers to his place to do the testing.
Testing. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
After sending them, he requested, so he selected a good team and he sent that good team to the customer place. So I'm a guy who's working in Bangalore where I'm getting some 50,000 rupees of salary. If I go to Abu Dhabi, you know, they will give 3 lakhs per month.
Correct.
Got it?
Yes,
How
sir.
I'm getting 3 lakhs per month means in a companies, IT companies, what they will do, Kachada fellows, they will take our money and they will enjoy. How enjoy is means, see, per month, whatever my customer is there, no, is charging for my work 3 lakhs. Company will debit 2 lakh 70,000 and they are giving me 30,000 as my salary. But when I went to his place, no, he's giving the same amount directly to me now because I'm working to him,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm getting more salary here instead of getting here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here also the whatever customer is paying me a good salary only, but my
Yes.
company is eating
Eating
around 70% of the salary, and that Kachada fellows is giving me 30% of salary.
Yes, sir.
Understood? This is how the companies are becoming. Oh, they have made millions of profit, trillions of profit. Everything is our money again. Okay. But if you go and work in a customer place, no, you will directly give your money to us. Now, customer will give you some conditions. Customer will plan a workspace, I can tell, cabins, okay,
Yes, sir.
and give test engineers his business document. What document?
Business document.
Business. What do you mean by business document?
The
Business
requirement.
document means here what customer is
Yes,
doing
sir.
no is business that
Yes,
document.
sir.
Why is giving
Yes.
that business document? Since here, whenever I got the requirement, I looked into the requirement, I have written the test scenarios and test cases
Yes, sir.
according to the rules of testing. Now, in the customer place, when I'm doing acceptance testing, test engineer should not write test scenarios and test cases here. Okay. He should look into the what? Business document and analyze it and start doing acceptance testing. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
when I was doing V&V model, I told you it will be done by customers or test engineers.
Yes, sir.
Why I said or means here? Because here who is doing? Here test engineers only doing, no. So customer
Yes, sir.
will do or test engineers will do. So what
Yes.
we'll do, we'll not look into the test scenarios and test cases. Whatever we have written, no, that is
Yes,
in
sir.
the company itself. Now what we have to do, we need to look into the business document of
Yes,
the
sir.
customer, and
Yes,
we
sir.
need to analyze it, how his business is going on. That
Yes,
is
sir.
understanding the customer requirement. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
After understanding the requirement, later I should doing the acceptance testing.
Yes, sir.
Once the quality of the software is good and customer get the confidence, what we will do? We will deploy the software into the production server. Got it?
Yes,
Once
sir.
after that, test engineers or any test lead or somebody will deploy the software into the production server. So
Yes.
this entire story, what we'll call it as a case number 3.
Okay, sir.
So customer, since the people or the employees at the customer place, they are busy, the customer will ask for some good test engineers to send to them for doing the acceptance testing. So customer will plan some workspace for the test engineers, and he will give his business document, and he will tell test engineers to not look into their test scenarios and test cases. They should look into their business document and analyze, and they need to start doing the acceptance testing. Once the quality of the software is good, then they will get the confidence. Then we can deploy the software into the production server. This is case number 3. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
This diagram you have to write. Okay. Later I will give the explanation. Under that you have to write. See, maintaining notes is very, very important. I'm telling you. Because it will be having 300, 400 page. It is not like 100-page book.
Yes, sir.
It's too much big one. Okay. Manual testing is biggest of all the courses.
Oh.
Okay, sir.
It is not like something hash include or public static void main basic only you don't know, sit in next class. Again, you don't know the logic, you are not able to think logically, sit in another class, or telling Dev sir that she is not understanding anything, what can I do? No, nothing like that. This is a story. Everyone, if I teach this to Sahadev, no, if Sahadev will understand this, obviously we'll do manual testing. Understood? There is no big case here.
Yes, sir.
Finally, who is Sahadev?
Sir. Sir, the context that you in that context when you were saying it, it is referring to my kid.
Yeah. So kids can learn this.
Yes.
Understood? Because this is a story.
Yeah.
This is how the company will run, how the company will go. These things everyone will understand. Okay, it's not like some coding is there, guys, greater than, less than, some logics you have to understand, guys. So add, multiply, divide. Sir, why I'm adding, sir? Adding means that is a logic. Sir, how it is logic, sir? This is logic, that's it. How means how can I tell? Or go and ask that fellow is there, no, who is that? Who is the founder of Java? James, somebody is there. Okay, go and ask. If I ask any doubts in the Java programming, no, my teacher used to tell that. Go and ask him.
Yeah.
Because 90% they only don't know. why they are writing. Few standard
correct.
procedures will be there that you have to by heart.
Yeah.
Here it is not like that. If you don't know anything, you can ask me directly. Okay. So take
Yeah.
this
So this
screenshot.
is the definition, sir.
No, this is diagram. Under this,
No,
you will
no.
get explanation.
Yeah.
Case
So
number 2
is there
diagram
any?
I have given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Previously, and I have added you some notes. Now, case number 3, I have given this diagram. Now I will give some
Yep.
notes for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So the notes
So
I will paste here. Wait. So this is
okay.
case number. Okay, this is case number 3. Copy karo, paste karo. This is case number 3. Now
Okay,
this,
sir.
have you taken the screenshot?
Yeah,
Yes,
we
sir.
did.
Yeah.
Now take this screenshot. Okay. And
Yes,
done?
sir. Done.
Now case number 3 is
Yeah.
done. Now let us go for case number 4.
Okay.
Easy, no, nothing is there in this to waste time or to make you to understand more. Case 4. Oh boy, kya ho gaya yaar? What is this?
So basically, there are no definitions for case number 1, 2, and
No,
3, right?
there is
Just
no
the notes.
definition. This is
Okay.
understanding the concepts.
Yeah, got it. I just
Case
want to double check.
4. Yeah. So case number 4. Now, case number 4 means case number 3 I have to remove. No? Let me remove.
Yeah, correct.
Now, again, customer feels that, boss, everyone is busy in my company. What to do. Okay. So we told that a software is ready. We are releasing the software.
Yes, sir.
Now, customer will tell, hey, software company, I will come to your place with my business document. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Who is telling? Customer is himself telling. He is moving from Abu Dhabi to India. He is coming with his business document to the software company. Software company customer, let me write it. Customer is moving or relocating to the software company.
Yes, sir.
With his business document. With business document, and he will select a team of test engineers and he will give his business document and tell them to understand and do the acceptance testing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
What he's doing is given his document and he's telling, hey, test engineers here, you have to understand this, or he will explain, he will give something called as knowledge transfer. We will call it as a KT.
KT. Yes, sir.
Okay. He will give knowledge transfer to the test engineer so that the test engineers will do the acceptance testing. And if they will ensure the quality of the software is good, then customer will take the software and move to his company and deploy into the production server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it. So
Yes, sir.
this concept we will call it as a fourth case.
Yes.
Got
Okay.
it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Because they are busy, boss. They are busy. You can't tell them to do the testing because they are doing their own work, right? You can't call
Yes,
them and
correct.
you can't tell them, hey, do testing. So what they will do, they will tell they will not work, first of all. Later, their work they will not do. They will tell, you already given me work, testing. I'm doing testing. Software is not working. Simply they will tell, software is not working. Again, you will escalate to us. We will scold them, hey, boss, it is working fine.
Okay.
Got it? They
Yes,
will
sir.
again
Correct.
play. Instead of that, we will only assuring them that software will work. If we assure, again, if it is not working, no, customer will put one big bamboo to us. Bamboo to whom? Test engineers only.
Yeah.
Got it? So be careful.
Correct.
You should not give any wrong information or wrong promises that the software will work.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Simply,
Correct.
sir, acceptance testing is done. Aha, I got a opportunity to work in Abu Dhabi. Let me enjoy 3 months. If you go like that, no, Abu Dhabi, Islamic country, one gun they will take, they will shoot you in the road.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
mercy.
Correct.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So let us go for the explanation. Case 4. So there is 70%, I told, no. What is this 70% means? Acceptance testing, 70% companies will do like that.
Yes, sir.
Like
Yeah.
how customer, test engineers will go to the customer place.
Yes, sir.
Another 20%,
Yeah.
customer only will come to the software
Software
company.
company. Yes, sir.
It means
Okay.
my first case and second case will be very less, 2%, 3%.
Oh,
It means
okay, sir.
agents, IT engineers are there, no? 1
Yes,
or
sir.
2 or 4% they will do.
Correct.
Another 70% test engineer will go to the customer place.
Yes, sir.
Another 20% customer will come to the software company
Software
with this
company.
business document. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Okay. So take the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is a final destination. I think there is a movie called Final Destination, no?
Don't know, sir.
You guys will not watch your Hindi movie, not Hindi, your English movies, huh?
Sir,
We
sometimes
do.
yeah.
What
There is
movies
no
you will watch?
time. We have to wait
Oh,
for weekend to watch movie.
Yes, sir. It's
okay.
weekend only. Always weekend.
So how in India 1 more hour extra will be there for us to watch movie? Not in your country.
Trust me, sir. You know, the life goes work on the clock here, you know. Since 6 o'clock in the morning till night at 11 o'clock. There is no time.
But
So
here also same, no? But we are getting more time
here
in
each and
class as well,
everything.
and also we are getting some time to watch movies as
Sir,
well.
here
It's
each and
a
everything, sir, we have to do right from dishwashing to laundry to everything, sir.
हाँ इधर
Yeah.
कौन करेगा इधर मेरा मॉम है okay okay that is one thing
Yes, sir.
next okay like leave women's problem is women's problem men problem is men problem okay
Yes,
so
sir.
now final case number
5.
5 okay
Okay.
now I'll give you very best example now you guys will use Zomato Swiggy is there in US no
Not used, sir. I did not use
food
it.
delivery Uber Eats you have no
Uber Eats. Yes, sir. Uber Eats. Yeah, yeah.
okay Uber Eats I'm giving only example for you to understand this case number Uber Eats is a IT company no one of the company where they have given the requirement for any of the software company they want a software so software companies developed a software and they have given that software for the customer saying that hey testing is done you have to do acceptance testing or whatever you want you can do Now Uber Eats having something called as their, I can tell, restaurants or something like that, or hotels. Let me take hotel or restaurant, where this hotel person is using some application in the Uber Eats application only is using. And there is one more application, that application name, let me tell, Delivery Boy. Delivery Boy. Okay.
Yeah.
See, always Delivery Boy is having some application, guys.
Yes,
Hotel person is having some application.
Correct.
Customer is having one application.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Think what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
Use your unused brains now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a customer app. Uber
Yes,
Eats is having an application. This
Yeah.
application, I can tell, admin application. Which
Yes, sir.
application? Admin application,
Yes, sir.
where this application will give access for customer also,
Yes.
hotels also, delivery boy also.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Since Uber Eats is one application only, Uber, but there are again 3 applications in that.
Yes, sir.
3 operations, I can tell, working procedures.
Yes, sir.
So once a customer books, the request will go to Uber Eats for the admin,
Yes,
stating that, hey, some booking is happened.
Yes, sir.
The customer is particularly booked for one of the hotel. Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
one good hotel in your US.
Bigger hotel in US?
It's a Grand Hyatt.
Yeah.
Oh, it
Or
is big,
Hilton. Hilton is a big one as well.
Yeah.
Hyatt hotel is there in Bangalore, appa. I went to that hotel.
So here it is also there, and it's like even in that also, sir, if it is to be more luxurious, you say it Grand Hyatt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me take Hyatt hotel. Okay. I booked a Pani Puri from Hyatt hotel.
Okay, sir.
So the request will go to hotel.
Yeah.
Respectively, that request will go to delivery boy stating that, hey, you are very nearby to the hotel, collect this parcel. Got it? So how the application will work? See here, I'm telling you the model of that application. Now, delivery boy accept that. You should confirm that I am going, because there are many delivery boys near to hotel. Everyone cannot go there. Who is accepting that order, he will go to this hotel. First of all, customer as soon as give the request, hotel should also accept that. As soon as I accept, you will get food is preparing notification. All these are watched by my admin. He is not doing anything. He's just looking into our application or the operations, how it is working. Okay. The hotel people first is confirming your order. As soon as he confirming your order, delivery boy get a notification saying that, hey, you got an order from hotel. You should carry to this customer. He will accept that. Okay. Later he will go and reach the hotel. That time the food is ready. Later he will assign that food to this delivery boy, and he will tell that, saying that food is ready for delivery. One button he will click, or he will do something, okay, in his application. Later you will get an update that, okay, delivery boy is coming to you in your mobile. Now these many things are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Now admin is busy. This fellow is busy. What he will do? He just released the software. Is released. Basically, it's tested as a released.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
my Uber is a customer, right? He's a
Yes,
customer. He's only the person who is given the requirement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take, he's a first customer. Customer 1, let me take. Okay. Next, I am using his application, means I am also customer, right? Let me take, I am C2. If I am using application, obviously you should be tie up with some hotels.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
he is also customer again.
Okay.
There is a delivery boy, he is also customer again.
Okay.
So there is an application where admin is customer, customers, customer, customers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they will use the application, and if you open any application, no, there is a application called, there is a module called as feedback.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You take your Facebook, WhatsApp, any application you take, for all the applications, there is option called as feedback. Feedback means if any issues are there, you can, you can tell that in the feedback. This
Yes, sir.
hotel people also, they will give some feedback. Delivery
Yes.
boy will give feedback. This feedback, he is giving feedback.
Yes, sir.
All these feedbacks are collected,
Yes, sir.
sent to the software company. That feedbacks only defects.
Yes, sir.
Again, we will fix that. We will give the patch or we will give the respin.
Okay.
Anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Respin means copy the customer's data, later uninstall the old application. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is respin, what you have to do? If it is patch, just updating the patch. But respin means copy customer data. Why customer data? I already booked the food, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
I added the money, no? I just paid the money. So
Yes, sir.
if you uninstall the application from the server, it will go off.
Yes,
It
sir.
will not show the booking. So always copy the customer data.
Yes, sir.
Later, what you have to do, uninstall. Why you need to uninstall? Because you got a respin. Later,
Correct.
install
The bill.
new application. Got it?
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
After installing, restart your server.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Always after installing, no, your laptop itself, it will say, right? Hey,
Correct.
updates are installed. So restart your software, your laptop to work in a good way or convenient way. Or the
Yes.
update will go and install in the proper place if you restart
Yes.
the application. Later,
Yes.
after restarting, update or upload customer data.
Yes, sir.
These many things I have to do when it is a respin.
Respin.
Reena, understanding, no?
Yeah. I am.
Okay. When it comes to your patch, just update the patch.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the
Yeah.
difference between patch and respin. Now
Yeah.
they have done this job. Again, there is option called as feedback. They will do. See, this and all will be done in initial days of the software. That time there will be no load. Nobody aware of the Uber Eats.
Okay.
Uber Eats only launched only in 2 restaurants or 2 hotels in New York. Only 10-15 customers are there, or 1 or 2 delivery boys are there. Very simple way.
Yes, sir.
Once they got the confidence, no, later they will deploy in the production server. They will release in the worldwide.
Okay.
So
Okay,
this
sir.
entire process, we will call it as a customer is doing the acceptance testing. Okay.
Okay.
Customer.
Oh,
Customer means who?
sir,
Customer is my
the
Uber, is a
Inquiry
customer.
and the software company.
Customers, his customers are who? We are
Software
the
company.
customers, delivery boy, no
Oh,
software company. Understand?
okay.
Customer is this fellow, his customers. Customer.
Okay. Yes,
Who
sir.
are those?
Yes. Yeah.
We are doing the
Yeah.
acceptance testing, and
Yes,
we are
sir.
giving the feedback.
Got it. Sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This process is called as case number 5. Okay. So what you have to do is first take this screenshot.
Yeah.
See, you have to prepare your own notes if you are getting free time. No,
Yes.
you have to do everything. I mean, write notes as per your convenience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now take this screenshot.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
I have taken Infosys. They have given Wipro, no worries. to the FedEx customer, will they accept? It means we can tell customer. Customer means I have taken Uber, you understood. Similarly, if you take FedEx, no, FedEx is a big company where they have given the license for the local companies.
Yes.
Local vendors, I can tell. They
Yes,
will do the acceptance testing and they will update that news to the FedEx company.
FedEx.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is about your cases of acceptance testing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now let us see one of the important concept called as very important concept called as Hotfix. The name itself is telling some danger, no? Dangerous name.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So once
Yeah.
after you release the software to the customer is done is acceptance testing as well. Later is deployed the software into a production server.
Production server.
Production server. This is my production server. Okay. My production server is having what now? There is a software. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the software we have developed and tested, that is tested as acceptance testing. Once after acceptance testing is done, the quality of the software is good. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
we will do? We will deploy the software into the production server.
Yes, sir.
After deploying the software into the production server, we are releasing the software to the end users or the customers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take customer 1 or 2 or some customer 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many customers, no? So I have released the software to the customer.
Yeah.
Customer opened the sign up page. He entered all his data. When he click on submit button, okay, it went for the blank page.
Okay.
Sir, what? Sir, we have done a lot of testing. Again, you are telling it is going for the blank page. Chances are there. Not every time a blank page. When you have done sign up, no, some issues. See, there are the defects, always defects which affects the customer and which will not affect the customer. Okay. Always there are few defects which will affect the customers and also which will
not affect
the customers. It is depending upon what type of defects. Now blank page means obviously it will affect the customer. No, nothing it is showing. It is showing me a blank page. Defect, right? As soon as we get this type of defect or customer will get the type of defect, immediately he will communicate to the software company. Okay. In the software company where immediately will communicate to the software
company.
How? Mode of communication. How we can communicate? Either he can communicate via mail. But see, every time I will be not looking into my mails, yes or no? And it is a blank page and it is very important thing that I need to fix this defect very much immediately, very urgent. So via mails, or can I tell they are doing some call or urgent meeting. They will set up an urgent meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Urgent means you know, right? It is an English word only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Immediate meeting.
Immediate.
Yes.
So they will explain the defect to the software company now. No, the defect is told to the software company. Software company will not accept immediately. What they will do, they will reproduce the defect. Sir, what do you mean by reproduce the defect? They will also do the sign up. Similarly, how customer is doing. Reproducing means launching that same defect in his laptop as well. As soon as they confirm the defect, they confirmed there is a defect. As soon as they confirm there is a defect, what they will do in an IT company, there are somebody called as core developers and also core test engineers. Got it? What is this fellow's duty is they are very good at coding and they are very good at testing. Not an average. You can take a class. There are the students where you will get where you can find an excellent student as well, or a average student, or a poor knowledge student. Got it?
Yeah.
So in a company also, these fellows are there, very good performing fellows. So we will call them as a core team, where core developer will go to the source code, analyze the code, very short time. In very short time, he will find the defect and he will fix the defect. And 90% of times he will try to give the patch only. Why patch? Because already launched customer data is with the production server. If I do the respin, I need to copy that, paste that, install that. Okay, 90% they will go with the patch. 10% they will go with the respin. If there is more number of changes, you guys know when to go for patch, when to go for respin.
Yeah.
So 90% will give the patch. Again, that patch is tested by the test engineers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why? Without testing a line of code, we will never release the software to the customer, because we will never trust a developer.
Yes, sir.
As a test engineer, you should never trust your developer. As a husband and wife, a wife is a developer and husband is a test engineer. But he have to trust, because they are husband and wife. There is no other option.
Yeah.
But if the the husband is a test engineer, I'm telling same story. Husband is a developer, but test engineer is wife. She will not trust him in life also, in company as well. What? Yes or no? Hey, you understood my logic? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Husband, wife is there. Husband is a developer. Wife is a test engineer.
Correct.
Test engineer will test him
Yes,
in the
sir.
office also, personal life also, professional life also.
Yes, sir.
What type of woman you are? See. Yes, sir, she is telling. Assume same way.
Yes, sir.
If husband is test engineer and
wife
is developer, he will trust in his professional life also, he will trust in his personal life also. Understood? Here no trust, here full trust.
Sir, this is not fair, sir.
Yes,
you are putting women under
no
trust.
No. That is the fact, universal fact. You only told yes initially. Now you are telling no.
Sir, sir, that is a topic of debate, sir. Not here.
Debate, okay. But debate is there. See, at least you are telling debate is there. But men will agree. No debate. I'm telling directly, agreeing. But women is telling some debate is required. We will not tell we can accept this or we will not accept this. That type of condition is there. Got it?
Yeah.
Same way, test engineers, if you are husband, wife, no matter, you should work properly. You should test the software, test the patch. Quality of the patch is good, then only release to the customer. Next, what customer will do? Customer will update the patch. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So he'll update the patch, and after updating, if you want, you can restart the software, or else that is fine. The customer will use the software, and the customers are okay. Now the defect is fixed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
this is normal process, no, sir. Why you are given the name as Hotfix, sir? So this entire process will be done within 2 to 3 hours, or within half day. Got it? Very emergency way, emergency situation. The patient is in heart surgery. Something is there, open heart surgery you have to do immediately. That type of software it is. This entire process will be done within 1 or 2 hours. Though this scenario is called as Hotfix. If it is extended more than half day, okay, the software company should pay penalty to the software company, to the customer. Penalty मतलब क्या है? Amount. We have to pay the customer that how much loss is bearing because the customer are not able to use it.
Oh.
He will charge 30 lakhs loss within half day. 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores, 10 crores based on his business. No, he will tell that much you have to give to him. So it is very important for you guys that you should do all this process. See, from conducting a meeting to this entire process, no, it's not easy, guys. That should be done in 2-3 hours. Means everyone is working busy. If you call your husband, he will not pick up the call for 2-3 hours. Why?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
he might lose his job, guys. Customer will tell, hey, who is that Kachada developer, Kachada test engineer? Fire him. He's now useless fellow. From how many days he's testing the software, and there are many defects. Got it? So that will be the situation. So Hotfix means very much important that they have to fix immediately. Got it? Now take this screen. Understood the concept, no?
Yeah.
In hotfix work, when you are in testing server, hotfix work, no. When you are in production server, keep in your mind. When the software is running in the production server, means you are using WhatsApp, no. Facebook, Instagram, it is in production server. That time, if you face the issue, immediately you should tell to the software company.
Yeah.
And they will fix that issue immediately again.
Yeah.
This entire process should be done within 2-3 hours. This process is called as
Hotfix.
What?
Hotfix.
Yes. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give you the notes for this.
Thank you. Yep.
Okay. I don't know whether I have or not. Hotfix. It is also called as incident management. Okay. One more we have incident management or defect management. What management?
Defect management.
Defect management
or incident management.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Defect management.
Or
Incident management.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Incident management or defect management. So now take this photo.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So now there is something called as one more concept, short release or interim release. short release or intern release. Okay, intern. Okay.
Short release or intern.
So, what do you mean by this? Let us see. Same way, we have released the software. Software is working in a production server. Customer found some very minor issue. What issue?
Very
Minor issue. Minor issue means what? I told you heart surgery for blocker defect. Okay. Here, what happened is mosquito bited or something like that. Very small. Or you have taken a knife and you just cutted your finger. Very much light wala.
Yeah.
Very light wala wound you have made on your hand. Immediately you will shout, you will run.
Yes, sir. I mean, no, sir. No, sir.
Oh, you are doing acting in front of your husband then. When you are preparing food, no, you were just cutting some vegetables, something is in your hand, no. That time, no food in home. That's it.
Yeah.
It's hurting me a lot. Yeah. You should not do all those things, Amma.
Sir, it depends on how bad was the mosquito.
No, it's not mosquito. Mosquito, how badly it will bite? It is like lion, it will bite.
So some mosquitoes are big, very big.
Oh. Okay. Very big also, like mosquito bite, who will shout, Amma? Reena, will you shout?
For mosquito bites, I don't think so.
Yeah.
No.
So that type of very minor issue, okay? Or I can tell minor issues means some spelling mistakes. When I'm typing, you guys observe that I'm making some spelling mistakes. Got it?
Yeah.
That is minor. You are understanding concept. It is not a blocker, no? But if I'm not sharing my screen and if I'm teaching, no, that will be blocker for you. Now understanding priority?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as soon as you find any minor defects or when customer using the software running his business, if you want to do some minor changes means what? Sir, logo size is big. Logo size you have to reduce. Or some look and feel. There is more darkness in the application. Make it little bit light color. Understood? Those type of things. Look and feel means asterisk symbol. Those things you guys already know, right?
Yes, sir.
So that type of things, placeholder is not there. That type of minor issues, minor changes are there. That time you will communicate to the software company. Via mail or via call? No, only via mail. Why? It's okay, it's not immediate, okay? Yeah, understood?
Yes, sir.
The software, the IT customer will send to this particular minor issue to the software company. In a software company, they will not check it is whatever reproducible defect or not immediately. Okay, not immediately they will check. They will feel okay, there is a minor defect, and they will also confirm it. And there is no need of any core team to work on it. Okay, there is no core team. There will be some developers and test engineers. What developer will do, whenever he gets some free time, got it? Whenever he gets his free time, what he will do, he will find the defect and he will fix the defect. Here patch, obviously simple defect, who will give respin? But sir, simple defect, sir, I will not test, sir. Sir, simple defect, sir, I will not test, sir.
So it needs
simple
to be
defect, sir. Simple defect, sir, you will lose your job, sir. Got it? So never ever you should not tell that I will not test the software. Simple defect, complex defect, anything, but you have to test the software. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So test the patch or test the software, later release the software to the production server. This will take, or there is no time limit that you have to do immediately. Okay. And there will be no penalty as well. they will give you time 15 days to 1 year. Not 1 year, 1 month. Okay. 15 days to 1 month, there will be a time. This entire process we will do as a short release. Okay. Or interim release. This will happen in a company regularly. No and then the customer is keep on changing the requirements. Got it?
Yeah.
So yeah, obviously, there will be many short releases, not many hot fixes. Got it? In my current company also, I'm facing so many short releases. I will tell developer to develop something. See, in my current company, what I'm doing, I'm also giving the requirement as well for the customer, for the developer. Okay, I understood what I'm telling. I'm acting like a business analyst as well.
Okay.
I'm analyzing the market, what type of application if we develop, then customer will accept us in the market. Everything we are analyzing. Sometimes I will do some changes like a short release. He will not give me immediately. Whenever he's finding free time, he will do the changes and he is giving to me. Okay. So that process, what we will call it as a short release. So in the production server, while using the software running the business, if customer feels that he wants to do some minor changes, and if the customer is facing some minor defects, then the customer will communicate to the company. In the company, we will select some set of developers and test engineers where developer will write the code for the minor changes and fix the minor defects and give the software to the test engineer. Test engineer will do the minor changes. That is, if it is the data flow, then they will take internal integration. If it is just one of the component, they will do. If it is end-to-end, they will do system testing and test the minor defects as well, and they will give the software to the customer. Customer will do acceptance testing and deploy the software into the production server. This will come when they have done many changes, but we will not do acceptance and all. Okay, directly we will deploy into the production server. What you can do is customer, this line you remove. Okay, customer will do acceptance testing here only.
Okay.
Only deploy the software to the production server. This entire process will take 15 days to 1 month instead of taking an year of time. It will not take 1 year, one or 2 months, 15 days to 1 month. This kind of release, we'll call it as a short release or interim release.
Okay.
Understood? Easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Nothing is there, guys. Just I am explaining you how the company will work.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Take the screenshot. So what is the time over there?
11:34, sir.
Okay. 1.5 hour done, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, then let us continue the class.